Nice job. When Karen asked me to do this, I got a little nervous, and I still get a little choked up about it. So if I lose it a few times, bear with me. This is my dad, Russell. He was a quiet, confident family man. He taught me to treat everybody with respect, and they will get respect back. He taught me a work ethic that I've never forgot, my love of baseball, and of dapper clothes. The biggest problem I had was my dad died when I was 15 years old. The other thing that's kind of disappointing to me too is I have very, very few pictures of my dad. This is one of them. Next photograph, please. I became a father later in life. Age 40, we had a son. I was happy and proud. 4 years later, we were told we had a person with special needs. So it's time to roll up your sleeves, read, learn, find schools and programs to help him through, to make his experiences as many as possible and his situations as possible. Make his experiences as many things and situations as possible. Our son needed to experience as many life situations as possible to prepare him for his life. Without us, we had successes and failures, but we never gave up. We looked at it as putting money into the bank and watching it grow. Next photograph, please. He graduated from high school, got a driver's license, has a job, 40 hours a week, and he's been there 5 years. He's learned his work ethic, loves going to Mariner games, and he likes to dress to look sharp. Next photograph, please. I think I have done a job my father would be proud of. With that saying, I guess the old saying that the apple doesn't fall far from the tree is very true. With that, I'm going to say, Happy Father's Day.